Hello, I'm Susie and I'm 16 years old. I live in a small town with my family. My family has 4 people: my mom, dad, little brother, and me. We also have a cute dog named Frank. Every morning, I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I eat breakfast with my family. My favorite breakfast is toast and eggs. After breakfast, I get ready for school. I wear my school uniform every day. I take the bus to school with my friends. My best friend's name is Lily. We sit together on the bus and talk. School starts at 8:30 a.m. My first class is English. I like English because I enjoy reading. After English, I have math class. Math is hard, but I try my best. During break time, I play with my friends. We like to play games or just chat. Lunch is my favorite part of the day. I bring lunch from home most days. My mom makes delicious sandwiches for me. After lunch, I have science class. I enjoy doing experiments in science. My last class is art. I love drawing and painting. School ends at 3 p.m. I walk home if the weather is nice. At home, I change out of my uniform. I have a snack like fruit or cookies. Then, I start my homework. I spend about 2 hours on homework. After homework, I watch TV or play games. My favorite TV show is about animals. Sometimes I read books in the evening. I also help my mom cook dinner. We eat dinner together at 7 p.m. My dad tells funny stories during dinner. After dinner, I take Max for a walk. Max loves to run in the park. I play with Max for a little while. Then I take a shower and get ready for bed. I brush my teeth again before sleeping. I write in my diary every night. I like to write about my day. Sometimes I draw pictures in my diary too. Before sleeping, I listen to music. My favorite singer is Taylor Swift. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I always say goodnight to my family. On weekends, my routine is different. I wake up later around 9 a.m. I like to bake cookies with my mom. Sometimes I go shopping with Lily. We buy clothes or small gifts. In the afternoon, I play soccer with my brother. We have so much fun together. At night, we watch movies as a family. My favorite movie is about superheroes. This is my daily life and I love it. I hope you enjoyed learning about my day. Smiling face.